Coach PJ here. As the saying goes, people do business with those they know, like, and trust. If you're looking for ways to accelerate this process, here's one pretty simple way that also has some pretty terrific side effects for you as a business owner. You ready? Simple. Smile. Yep, you heard me right. Smile. At the mere suggestion of a smile, most people can't help themselves. They break into a grin. It's human nature. We as humans, we are programmed to smile. There's evidence that we smile even before we're born. There are countless studies that show the impact of smiling on success, happiness, well-being, health, and even on how long we'll live. Studies of high school yearbook photos show a direct correlation to how fulfilling and long-lasting an individual's marriage will be, how highly they will score on standardized tests of well-being and general happiness, and how inspiring they'll be to others. The widest smiles consistently ranked highest in all of the above. Interesting enough, studies of baseball card photos found that the span of a player's smile could actually predict the span of his life. Crazy. Players with a beaming smile lived longer. They lived an average of 7 years longer. Smiling can positively impact almost any social situation. Smiling is not just a universal means of communicating, but it's also a frequent one. On average, 32% of us smile more than 20 times a day, and less than 14% of us smile fewer than 5 times a day. Now, the overachievers in this category are actually children who may smile as much as 400 times a day. Wouldn't that be awesome if we could do that? If you could smile 400 times a day. You know, we used to use the phone to connect with folks, but now we're fortunate enough to use Zoom, where not only can our smiles be heard, but they can be seen. For more detailed information on virtual connections, check out my video above. A study confirmed that other people's smiles actually suppress the control we have over our own facial muscles, compelling us to smile. So isn't that crazy? So other people, by smiling, can force ourselves to smile. Try that out. Next time you're in a setting with a couple of people, smile at someone and see if they can actually suppress it. Why this happens? Because smiling is evolutionary contagious. And we have a subconscious, innate drive to smile when we see one. So think about this. When I smile, you are put in a situation where you can't help yourself but smile. This occurs even among strangers, when we have no intention to connect or affiliate with one another. The act of smiling actually makes you happier, actually makes you feel better. Smiling is, rather than being a result of feeling good, instead, our brain's circuitry, the emotion, the happiness, is activated when we smile. Smiling stimulates our brain's reward mechanisms in a way that perhaps like even chocolate can't match. Smiling has documented therapeutic benefits as well. If that's not enough, smiling also makes us look good in the eyes of others. Another study confirmed that when we smile, we not only appear more likable and courteous, but we're actually perceived to be more competent and more attractive. Now, who doesn't want that? So now, whenever you want to look great, improve your relationships, reduce your stress, feel as good as when you enjoy a delicious chocolate bar, or whenever you want to tap into your superpower and help yourself and others live longer, healthier, happier lives, you want to engage with someone, you want to accelerate the know, like, and trust, smile. It's pretty simple. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, just subscribe down here, share, comment. If you click the little bell, you'll be notified for future videos. Until next time.